everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to set up and use HP Thunderbolt Docking Station step-by-step setup and display tutorial. First, plug the docking station's power adapter into a wall outlet and connect the other end to the power port on the back of the dock. Then connect the provided Thunderbolt cable to the dock's designated Thunderbolt port, which is often marked with a lightning bolt symbol, and plug the other end into a Thunderbolt port on your HP laptop. Then plug your USB devices, which is mouse, keyboard, external drivers, etc., Ethernet cable, and audio equipment directly into the dock's corresponding ports. Once done, connect your external monitors using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Most docks are plug and play. However, for optimal stability and performance, download the latest drivers and firmware for your specific models using the HP software and driver downloads portal. For configuring your displays, right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then drag the numbered monitor rectangles in the Settings menu so they match the physical layout of the monitors on your desk. Scroll down to the multiple display section and choose Extend these displays to maximize your screen space. Then click on each monitor rectangle individually and ensure the resolution is set to its recommended native value. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.